We have a brand called Stoffa. We make women's shoes and bags. We've been doing this since 2003. We've taken part in Lakme Fashion Weeks as well. We have our own store and we supply about 50-60 stores in the country. From Mumbai. We are based in Mumbai. That's where we come from. We have our offices in Mumbai, but we supply to 60 stores all over the country, fashion stores. In Hyderabad, we supply to Anaita, The Project, and we have supplied to Elahe. We're offering women's footwear and women's bags, handbags. Yes. Everything is handmade. It's all high quality, And, yeah, we have taken part in Fashion Yatra, I think now for the last 3 years, maybe 6 exhibitions. We find it's a very good exhibition. It has very good footfall, and not only footfall, but there are buyers, shoppers, and it's very well organized. I think we've never had a problem. So we're very happy, and we will be back every time. It's good business. I must say we are managing to sell 50% of the stock we've brought already, and it's only half day, so we're hoping to do well. Well, we do many exhibitions all around the country, so this is just one of the exhibitions, but it's a very, very profitable exhibition for us, so we're very happy to be here. Yes, we basically have promotional prices at every exhibition we go to because we can directly meet the customer. We don't have any wholesaler or any intermediary, so prices are always attractive. Our price range starts from 1500 and goes up to 3500. No, only ladies. We specialize in ladies. We also do girls footwear, but this time we haven't brought it. We brought it last time. Yeah, we are manufacturing, we are designing, we are wholesaling, and we are retailing. Yes, we come from Mumbai, and we basically supply to the Indian market because our biggest clients are from our country itself, Well, Bombay is, of course, the highest business for us because we are from there. People know our products. So Bombay is a very lucrative market for us. But I must say Hyderabad is definitely amongst the top 5 cities for us in the country. Yeah, we have a good tie-up with the stores here. They only stock our brands, and we are growing very well with them, especially the store called Anaita, which is a very old store here. And we're doing very well with them. Very good. I think now we've got a fixed base of clientele because every time we come back, they know the brand. So we have our regular customers in Hyderabad.